Welcome to our channel. Today we're delving into a natural concoction that has the potential to enhance sexual health. A blend of grapes, carrots, and honey. Let's discover why this trio is so potent and how to create it in your kitchen. Grapes, packed with antioxidants, play a significant role in enhancing blood circulation, a factor vital for healthy sexual function. Carrots, on the other hand, are a rich source of beta-carotene. This compound transforms into vitamin A once inside the body, an essential element for the production of sexual hormones. Lastly, honey, celebrated for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, contributes positively to the overall health of the reproductive system. Do you consume any of these ingredients in your daily life? You're already ahead of many men. Comment below which one you eat. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Here you find sexual health, well-being, and longevity. Now onto the preparation of this potent concoction. The ingredients you'll need are fresh grapes, organic carrots, and pure honey. Start by thoroughly washing the grapes and carrots. Next, slice the grapes into two and chop the carrots into smaller pieces to facilitate the blending process. Add the grapes, carrots, and a spoonful of honey into the blender. Blend the mixture until it attains a smooth, homogeneous consistency. If required, you can add a bit of water to get the consistency you desire. Voila! Your health-boosting mixture is ready for consumption. For maximum benefits, consume this mixture once daily, ideally in the morning. Bear in mind, maintaining a balanced diet and leading a healthy lifestyle are also key in achieving optimal sexual health. So there you have it. Now you understand why this blend of grapes, carrots, and honey is a powerhouse for sexual health. Give it a shot at home and experience the benefits firsthand. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on sexual health and well-being. Stay tuned for more.